welcome to Classic Jazz. This is your final week on this Classic Jazz combo. So as I've done before, I will go ahead and start at the new material. If you need to go back, refer to your other videos if you need to review. I will do a very quick review once I get to it, but otherwise your videos would be like 40 minutes long and we don't want that. So we're going to start with where we ended the last one, which was on the C-Sone 7, 8. You're going to go 1, 2, looking that way, 3, 4, like you're going to take off to stage left. But then you're going to pull your right leg in and your arms are going to develop up your body, flick, step 7, 8. So it goes, C-Sone, this is 8, you're in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, I'm going to do an even pas de bourrée turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to passe releve 4 in parallel. I'm going to snap my fingers down. I'm going to push my hips back. 4. I do the same thing to the left. 5, 6, 7. But this one's going to feel more like a quarter turn. I'm going to go from one corner to the other. 8, 1. You're going to step out of it. So this is on the 8, step 1, grand pas, 2, 3, 4, roll it up, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and this is going to go around. So I think I did the timing right. I might have to see in the music there. So let's go back and do that again. So you just did your C-Sone 8, step out 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch my bottom leg here. I pivot and I releve. 5, 6, 7, 8. Immediately go back to the right. Right, 2, 3, passe. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to pull that arm and leg in, 3, 4. I'm going to go back on the diagonal because I don't want to hit this. I'm going to step one more inside turn, 5, 6, pop, 7, pop, 8. And you can make that as fun, as playful as possible. So I'm out here by that 8, big circle, like you're taking a big hug to the whole room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pop, 7, pop, 8. And you just let yourself finish that little movement there. All right, all of that. Of course, that end turn can also just be a passe releve and pop and pop. So that's up to you on that. Here we go, from the new stuff. C-Sone 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside turn and pop and pop. Okay, try that with music. C-Sone 5, 6, 7, 8. In there. You guys should know by now where the turns don't go if you don't want to add them in there. So again, that's another way to shorten these videos down a little bit. So when you're watching me and you know you're not going to turn, revert back to the old versions of those. So here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Chasse 3, 4, back, 7, and 8. Shoulder low. And bring it down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull it in. 2, 3, 4. Hip, hip, flick, throw. Back, back. Compass turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Throw, throw. Step foot, take. Back. 5, 6, 7, new stuff. walk 1 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, back right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'm gonna do that version facing you, or sorry, back to you, and then again facing you, and of course the video will be flipped, all with turns. Here we go, right leg, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time with my back to you. 5,